Good morning, everyone. Myself Rahul Bhamre. Today I am here to explain the automatic bottle filling system using PLC and SCADA. So, what do you mean by PLC? PLC is a programmable logic controller device which controls the given system. So, and SCADA is a system is meant by supervisory control and data acquisition system. Means you can monitor the your system by using this SCADA. Now let's move towards. So this is our introduction. So as we all now know that automation is a system now used in all industries in day-to-day life. So here the main controller is our PLC, that is a programmable logic controller, which is a major function in our automation fields nowadays. So in this project we have designed our automatic bottle filling system by using PLC and SCADA. So we have to use some sensors to detect the position of bottles. Then we have to use a solenoid valve to fill the bottles and our conveyor belt as a system. So this is our full system. So here, as you can see here, it is a block given. So this block is for our counting for starting bottles. So this is our first sensor, as you can see my pointer. So this sensor is used for counting the number of bottles are getting entered in this conveyor belt. So and this is our solenoid valve, which is used for to fill a bottle at a particular level. And this is our mid sensor, which will detect the position, and as position has detected means bottle has been detected, then as soon as it detect, motor gets off and our solenoid valve gets start filling the bottle. And here is a timer given, which will let you know that how much time is remaining for filling the bottle. Then next this next stage, after filling, the bottle will start moving forward. Then at last there is a output sensor which will let you know that our how much bottles has been filled up, and it will give you the number at this box. Okay, and here are some function keys which are used for different kinds of functions. So here we have to use F1 for start and F2 for stop. So now let's move towards the software. Okay, so here we are now. So this is our main program block here, and this software is a TI portal version 16. It is designed by Siemens company for doing many logic things and all the control system. So this is our root screen for HMI. So HMI is mean by human machine interface, means by you you can touch the buttons which are made here, and by this button you can touch and you can control the given system also. So we'll go in detail in our simulation. So I will start the simulation. So for starting the simulation, you have to go to the simulation start. So here we are now. Simulation is starting. So in this there is a inbuilt PLC in this software. So it will now start this simulation. Compiling is going on, checking the program whether it is having error or not. So our program has not any error, so we'll load it to a PLC. So it will take some time. Okay, so I will go to action. I will start the model. Okay, I will finish. Okay, now it's running. Now we'll go to monitoring. I will start monitoring to our system. Okay, now the color of the rung, it will change. So it has been changed, that means our project is now run state. So I will simultaneously I will run the SCADA also. So it is compiling now, as you can see here. So it will also take some time. So compilation has been done. Now we'll move towards the simulation. Okay, just a minute. So I will pop up this window. Okay, okay. So now here you can see the name start, stop. This is switches which is assigned to a relay, and relay output is given to a motor. Okay, so this is our SCADA screen, automatic bottle filling process using PLC and SCADA. So I'll click on next, it will give me next page. Okay, so now here you can start from here also. I will modify from 1. Okay, and again I will modify it to 0, means it acts as a push button. We had start and we have stop. Okay, so now in this case, as you can see here, my motor is blinking now. It has been started. Okay, now when the first sensor will be sensed, then our this in this SCADA system, the sensor will start blinking. That means this sensor has get a bottle. As you can see here also, there is a 1. It is counted now, means 1 bottle has been reached here. Okay, so obviously now motor is started, and it will not wait for much longer time, so it will just go to 0, and motor is running, means now it will go to mid sensor. Okay, mid sensor is here. Okay, so I will modify it to 1. So as mid sensor has get a bottle, then motor is getting off, solenoid word has started filling the bottle, and as you can see here, the time is there, 13 second, 14, 15. We have allocated a 15-second time for filling the bottle. Okay, now as you can see, the time has been completed, then motor has been started. Okay, then motor has been started, then bottle will not stay here, it will go low, means it will be turned 0. Okay, then motor will move forward at the out sensor, that is our output, means it will indicate that bottle has been filled. So as you can see here, our state has been changed, it is giving 1. Okay, so in this way our project will work continuously, means bottle will come, it will detect by first sensor, then it will again go to mid sensor, then it will fill. Okay, so here I want to tell you one thing, that we have made some changes. If the mid sensor get fills, for example, then filling must be stop here, and the time which at which the sensor has been filled, it will be saved as it is. Means if the system sensor has been filled, then after attaching a new sensor or repairing the old sensor, we can start our system from the time at which it has been stopped. Okay, so here I have done such thing. So I will start again. So I will starting here from mid sensor only, so I will modify to 1 now. Okay, now this system has been started. Okay, suppose now our mid sensor has been filled. Okay, I will turn it 0. So at 10 it has been filled. Okay, So in this case our solenoid valve has been stopped and the sensor is a failed, so it will not indicate anything. And this, ignore this, the motor has been started. We are doing this clear now in future. So in now the motor is starting. This is a bug, so which we have to repair. So our task is to now stop our motor at this point, so that we will fulfill our needs, to that our system is working properly. So this way, if I have attached a new sensor now here, so I had attached new sensor, then time start from that time only at which it has been stopped. Overall the system is working properly. Only problem is what, at mid sensor when it gets filled, at that time it stops the solenoid valve and timer at that time only, but motor it does not getting stopped. As you can see, I had again started, so I modified it to 0. The motor has been stopped. This is a bug which we'll want to repair in our next stage. So this was our project, automatic bottle filling system by using PLC and SCADA. Thank you.